Are you tired of carrying around heavy books and CD players for your Thai studies? Today, I'll show you a stress-free way to enjoy learning with Notion, even if you are in your 60s. We'll combine it with Google Translate for an ultra-efficient study method. Let me guide you into the world of digital learning. It's lightweight and, above all, fun. This is my next-generation textbook. No more opening books or the hassle of dragging out a CD player. All the information you need is organized right here on one screen. It's easy to use. Just follow the Thai text with your eyes and give the play button right below it a single tap. The native audio plays instantly. By stimulating both your sight and hearing at the same time, your memory retention becomes incredibly fast. It truly makes learning fun. Would you like me to translate the next section where you explain how to set this up?
After input, it's time for some output, just like a game. Imitate the sounds you heard in Notion and try speaking into Google Translate on your smartphone. If your pronunciation appears as the correct characters, it's a huge success. The joy of being recognized by the AI is truly special. Would you like me to translate the next part, such as the 3-step setup or the conclusion?
สบายดีไหมคะ ดิฉันชื่อมาริยา ยินดีที่ได้รู้จัก
But does it look like a lot of work to create? Actually, there are only 3 simple steps. First, just snap a photo of the textbook page you're interested in with your smartphone. Then simply paste it onto your Notion page. With just these steps, your first move toward digitalization is complete. Would you like me to translate the next part where you explain how to add the audio files? Next, simply drag and drop your audio data from your computer into Notion. With just this, you've created your own personalized player that plays sound right next to the text. It feels like magic, doesn't it? If it doesn't respond when you try to drag it, try typing a forward slash on the screen. A menu will appear and you can select audio from there. After that, just select your audio file and upload it. With this method, you can reliably create your own player in any environment. Take your time and give it a try. Would you like me to translate the final part about auto-syncing between your PC and smartphone? And here is the best part. The Notion notes you create on your computer are reflected instantly on your smartphone. You can carefully build your own personalized study notes at home and then quickly review them on your phone at a cafe or while you're out. You'll gain a free learning style that works anywhere. Would you like me to translate the final summary or the ending of your script? The beauty of this method is that it significantly lowers the hurdles to learning. Because it's easy, you can keep going every day. Because you keep going every day, your life in Thailand becomes even more enjoyable. As you start to understand and communicate, your world will expand more and more. Would you like me to translate the final closing message as well? It doesn't have to be perfect. Why not try creating just one page today? Let's start by simply having fun. I'm rooting for your life in Thailand to become even more fulfilling.